Hi, this is Elan from Looker, and today we're going to talk about scheduling dashboards. Many of the same options are also used to schedule looks. So right now we're starting on a dashboard. This is the business pulse for an e-commerce store. We have some high-level metrics like total orders, average sale price, user count, and then some other analyses like revenue by marketing channel. So let's say I wanted to get this entire dashboard out to my team a couple times a week. I'm going to go up here next to the edit button, hit the cog, and you'll see the option to schedule. If you hadn't yet created a schedule for this content, Looker will automatically start one for you. The title will be set to the name of the dashboard, and default values will be set for all of the scheduling options in the right pane. If you have one or more existing schedules, Looker will display the list on the left side and opens to the top one for editing. By the way, if you had some schedules but want to create a new one, you would just click Create New Schedule and start making your choices. From here, I have a couple options. So you'll see that there can be multiple schedules associated with a dashboard. I'll talk a little bit about that in a second. But first, let's just create one schedule. So we have the title, we have the filters. You'll notice that it's inheriting the filters from the dashboard. So I can change these filters when I'm in the dashboard playing around, but I can also change them on the schedule so that if I wanted to create maybe a schedule for the 5 different regions of my e-commerce store, I could have 5 different schedules set up for those different regions. And let's say for this one, we're interested in the California region. Then we also can choose the delivery, either daily, weekly, monthly, hourly, or by minute. I'm just going to keep this at daily and have it send out every day at 6 a.m. And then because these schedules can be from people in different time zones, you might also want to associate a time zone with that schedule. Finally, there's the destination. Most commonly, it's email, but there are also options to set up a webhook to a separate service, or maybe you just want these results to reside in an S3 bucket or be pushed directly to an SFTP server. So for this report, I'm just going to keep the format as a PDF. Now let's say that I wanted to set up another schedule. So I'm going to create new schedule. And now we have Business Pulse 2. I'm going to go back here and remove that filter. So we're not filtering on California anymore. And maybe I want this one to go out once a week. And it's going to a manager who's only going to look at this every so often. And that manager is actually in California, so we're going to use US Pacific time zone. So now when I save this schedule, those 2 users, myself and the manager, are going to get 2 separate schedules, one weekly and one every day at 6 a.m.
Thanks for watching. In this video, you learned how to schedule dashboards. For more details on scheduling dashboards, go to this page in Looker's documentation. You may also want to view general information about specifying filter values on this page, or see lots of examples of filter values on this page. To learn about scheduling looks, which gives you additional options, click the link at the end of the video.